If you're seeking a peaceful night's sleep, you're in the right place. Today we're diving into the top 20 foods that will help you sleep better, naturally. 1. Bananas. Did you know bananas can help you sleep better? They're rich in magnesium and potassium, two minerals that relax your muscles and calm your nervous system. Plus, bananas contain tryptophan, which helps your body produce melatonin, the sleep hormone. Try eating one in the evening as a natural sleep aid. 2. Almonds. Almonds are a fantastic bedtime snack. They're packed with magnesium, which helps reduce stress and improve sleep quality. They also contain healthy fats that stabilize blood sugar levels overnight. A small handful before bed can make you fall asleep faster and stay asleep longer. 3. Kiwi. Kiwi is one of the best fruits for sleep. Studies show eating 2 kiwis before bed can help you fall asleep quicker and sleep more deeply. They're loaded with antioxidants and serotonin, which help regulate your sleep-wake cycle naturally. A sweet and healthy nighttime treat. 4. Chamomile tea. Chamomile tea is a classic bedtime drink, and for good reason. It contains apigenin, an antioxidant that binds to brain receptors, promoting relaxation and sleepiness. Having a warm cup before bed not only calms your mind, but also sets the stage for deep, restful sleep. 5. Walnuts. Walnuts aren't just heart healthy, they're sleep friendly too. They contain melatonin, the hormone that controls your sleep cycle. They're also rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which may reduce stress hormones. A small serving of walnuts in the evening can help you drift off naturally. 6. Oatmeal. Think oatmeal is just for breakfast. Not true. A warm bowl at night can boost melatonin levels and help you relax. Oats are also rich in complex carbs, which can gently raise blood sugar and make you feel sleepy. Try it with a drizzle of honey before bed. 7. Turkey. Ever feel sleepy after Thanksgiving dinner? That's because turkey is rich in tryptophan, an amino acid that helps your body produce melatonin and serotonin. Eating lean turkey at dinner can naturally promote relaxation and better sleep quality. Just keep the portions light to avoid feeling too full. 8. Cherries. Cherries, especially tart cherries, are a natural source of melatonin. Drinking tart cherry juice or eating a handful of cherries in the evening can improve sleep duration and quality. It's one of the most delicious and natural ways to boost your bedtime routine. 9. Warm milk. Warm milk is a timeless sleep remedy, and it works. Milk contains tryptophan, which helps produce melatonin. The warmth itself is soothing, calming both your body and mind before bedtime. Drinking a small glass of warm milk is like a natural signal to your body it's time to rest. 10. Pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds are an underrated sleep superfood. They're loaded with magnesium, zinc, and tryptophanol, key nutrients for sleep. Sprinkle them on a salad or snack on them plain in the evening to help your body relax and prepare for restful slumber. 11. Honey. A spoonful of honey before bed can actually help you sleep. Honey slightly raises insulin, which helps tryptophan enter the brain and boost melatonin. Add it to warm milk or tea for a natural, sweet bedtime ritual that promotes deep sleep. 12. Spinach. Leafy greens like spinach are rich in magnesium, which relaxes your muscles and calms the nervous system. Spinach also contains calcium, which helps the brain use tryptophan to make melatonin. Add spinach to your dinner, and you'll be setting the stage for a better night's sleep. 13. Chamomile with honey combo. Chamomile tea with a spoonful of honey is a powerful combo for sleep. Chamomile relaxes the mind, while honey boosts tryptophan absorption, increasing melatonin. Together, they create the perfect bedtime drink for anyone struggling with stress or restlessness at night. 14. Salmon. Salmon is packed with omega-3 fatty acids and vitamin D, both of which support serotonin production, a key hormone for healthy sleep. Eating fatty fish like salmon for dinner can help regulate your sleep cycle and improve sleep quality naturally. 15. Yogurt. Yogurt is rich in calcium, and calcium helps the brain use tryptophan to produce melatonin. A small serving of yogurt before bed can calm digestion and boost sleep quality. Add a drizzle of honey or some berries for an even better bedtime snack. 16. Pistachios. Pistachios are one of the best nuts for sleep. They're loaded with melatonin, magnesium, and vitamin B6, all of which help regulate your body's internal clock. A small handful in the evening can make a big difference in how quickly you fall asleep. 17. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are a sleep-friendly carb. They provide potassium, magnesium, and complex carbs that relax muscles and help the body produce serotonin. A small serving with dinner can leave you feeling satisfied and ready for a restful night's sleep. 18. Herbal teas. Valerian, lavender, beyond chamomile, other herbal teas like valerian, root, or lavender can work wonders for sleep. These herbs calm the nervous system, reduce anxiety, and promote drowsiness. Sip them before bed as a natural, caffeine-free way to wind down. 19. Eggs. Eggs are another excellent source of tryptophan, the amino acid that supports melatonin production. A light dinner omelet or even a hard-boiled egg in the evening can help your body prepare for sleep. Just avoid eating them too close to bedtime. If digestion bothers you, 20. Dark chocolate. In moderation, surprise dark chocolate can actually support sleep. In moderation, it contains serotonin-boosting compounds and magnesium, which calm the body. Just stick to a small piece of dark chocolate with low sugar content to enjoy the benefits without the caffeine keeping you awake. In the link below, you will find something to help you sleep.